Just mix the lemon in the condensed milk and you will love the result. In a container, start by squeezing a lemon. In all, you will use 2 units. Then add 395 grams of condensed milk, with the help of a mixer or fouet, we will mix very well. Now just squeeze the other lemon. And look how the consistency of this lemon mousse looks. Now just pass it all into a container. On top, add a little lemon zest and a little dark chocolate zest. Once that's done, your dessert is ready. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. A super fast, easy, and delicious recipe. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.